guys, I'm Kylie and on this video... Hi guys, I'm Kylie and on this video, I'll teach you my on-the-go makeup look. A lot of people have been asking me how I put on my makeup and what are the products that I use, especially on my Shopee Livestream. So, ito na yon guys. Wala ng foundation needed, wala ng contour, wala ng mascara, wala ng concealer. You can use this every day on simple vlogs, event, and even work from home. Actually, ito rin yung ginagamit ko whenever I call my students online. Ayan. So, without any further ado, let's start! So, I always start my makeup routine using a toner. Hindi yan pwede mawala. It's the Pacific Pink AH/BHA toner. I like this toner kasi it does not sting on the face. At saka, hiyang ako sa kanya, I don't get pimples whenever I use it. I also put Skin Potion's Potion Balm on my lips kasi obvious naman, napaka-dry po ng aking labi. And then I proceed with my base. What I use is this Catidal Water Splash Essence. This is the only thing that I apply kasi it already gives me an instant whitening effect. It's a cream but it mattifies fast and it is being absorbed by the skin fast. So, mabilis lang, like magic. And then, I draw my eyebrows using this Blight Eyebrow Trio. Sira na siya, yes. Sira na siya. But I still use it and I like it because of its angular shape. Kita nyo naman, napakadali mag-drawing ng kilay gamit ito. And then I proceed with my eyeshadow. Everyone's been asking this on my Shopee Live. What I use is the Celifit in the Bella collection. Ayan, it has 9 pigmented shades. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth the price. I start off with this very orangey peachy color and I apply it on my eyelids like that. Ayan. Apply to the left and to the right like so. And then, I use a fluffy brush to blend it para hindi masyadong harsh. And then, I proceed with a brownish color. I dab it on the outer corners of my eyes, papasok like this. Paunti-unti lang so that hindi masyadong harsh. And then, I blend it off again using a fluffy brush. So, i-blend lang yan ng i-blend until you're satisfied with how it looks like. Now, I proceed with the most glittery color on the palette, which is this one. And I put it in the middle of my eyelids, tada, like this. And like that, ayan. I also put in the middle, ayan, sa hindi, ano ba yan, the corners of my eyes as well. And for the finishing touches, what I use is this Chic Doral eyeliner. This is one of the cheapest eyeliner that I've used. It's only 89 pesos on Shopee. Ayan, para po siyang marker. Ang dali-daling gamitin. And madaling matuyo. Ayan. So, kulay na lang sa cheeks ang ating kulang. So, what I use is this Catidal Malibu Sunset Blusher. It actually has 3 colors. It has already a highlighter, a blush, and a contour. Kaya, ayan, pahid-pahid na lang tayo mga sisters. And then, for the last step, syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang lipstick. And what I use is this Skin Potion in the shade Dylan. This is one of my favorite Skin Potion colors. I just apply it. It's very creamy. As you know, as I said a while ago, dry yung labi ko. So, I really like Skin Potions kasi kahit matagal na akong nagla-livestream for 3 hours, hindi nagda-dry yung labi ko. So, ayun lang guys. Napakasimple lang ng aking makeup look everyday on my Shopee Livestream at sa aking work from home. So, I think you can also do it. Napaka-unti lang naman ang products na mga ginamit ko. Wala lang contour, wala lang foundation, wala lang mascara, wala lang concealer. But if you wanna add those, of course, you have the freedom to do it. Kayo nang bahala. Basta yun, napaka-simple lang. In my case, I do my best to put on minimal makeup on my face, especially ngayon, pandemic, nasa bahay lang naman tayo. Well, if you have any comments, just comment down below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And see you again on my next tutorial. Bye!